Okay, so we're trying the new FEELNEEDY water. This is my cat Frodo. And he immediately went to it, and he has not stopped drinking water since. I think he really likes this. Oh, here comes new guy. Say hi, new guy. He was the first one to check it out. But yeah, as you can see, Frodo's a pretty big cat. But yeah, that's what it looks like. So I poured 1 full gallon in, maybe 2 gallons. Yeah. I feel like I could definitely get 2 gallons in there. Look, he hasn't stopped. He thinks this is neat. You like that, don't you? You're not even thirsty, probably. You're just going to keep drinking water. It was easy to put together. And, yeah. I don't know why I didn't do this a long time ago.
But not enough to scare even my scaredy cat. I did not like that it took at least 1 gallon to fill this up. Not to fill it up, but for it to actually function. So see right here is where the water line is, and it takes 3 gallons. So there's 1, 2, 3, right? If you have less than 1 gallon, it won't work. So that means you either have to constantly keep it full, and when do you clean it, or do you let it just function until you've got 1 gallon and then just dump 1 gallon's worth of water out and then clean it all out? I'm not really sure about that. I do like it. I was worried it was going to be really big when I read that it carried 3 gallons worth. But this is a standard silicone dog mat for dog food. It fits pretty well on there. Doesn't give you enough room for a dog food bowl, but I like it. It's nice and it's so quiet. It's hard to have a quiet moment in a house with kids and a dog. Mar. But it is very quiet. I like it.
Guys, I have 3 staffies, so this was perfect. It was the 3rd one I bought. I returned the other 2, but it's very nice. It's quiet. It's got the refill light. It's well made, stainless steel, and it's big enough for my dogs. If more than one, sorry, more than one wants to drink, they can. Do you want to demonstrate? You want to demonstrate? Here, come here, demonstrate. Look, come here. Hey. It's a win. Where's the other guy?
testing for if there is any electricity. So overall, this machine works great. Awesome product.
I've been loving this for my dogs. It's so easy to see where the water is. It turns red when it needs to be full, and it keeps everything so clean. Despite their noise, they're happy with it too. But super easy to fill up, super easy to change, super easy to set up.
Thank you very much for sending the other one. Seems like this one is filling up faster. And my dog is enjoying it. 1 out of 4.
Okay, well, so, David, our friend Joe, right? And we think you're wrong.
No light. Filter works.